Protein is an essential part of our daily lives, and we of late have been receiving a lot of requests from you for protein-rich recipes. So we've chosen a Katsu curry, which is a quintessential Japanese curry. And the protein that you have chosen is a tofu. Let's begin a Tofu Katsu Curry. Today's recipe is absolutely home style, restaurant style, which literally you can make at home. The wonderful part about this recipe, it has a crisp tofu on the outside, soft within, and a silken curry, which goes wonderfully well with steamed rice. On that note, let's begin with the first component, and that is the breaded tofu. Well, simultaneously, I have created a mixture of refined flour and water. Let's add in a couple of tablespoons of this refined flour and water mixture. Let's moisten this well and dab this onto the breadcrumb. Let's keep this aside and similarly do the rest. Let's tap all of these nicely. Ensure that it's beautifully crumbed and crusted. Of course, you can make all of this in advance, keep it refrigerated, and fry as per your serving desires. While you can deep fry this, I prefer pan frying. Let's shake off the excess breadcrumbs and drop these in hot oil. Once these are crisp golden brown in color, let's draw these on a clean plate. Well, by now you would have realized that I'm literally dividing this recipe into three different components. The first one is done and ready, which is your breaded, crumbed, fried tofu. The second one now is the Katsu curry. I'm not using apples, no honey, nothing. Just a simple French-inspired Japanese curry. Let's do that. First things first, butter in a pan. Let's add in white onions, roughly cut. Once these just about turn translucent, we add in carrots and finally potatoes. To this, let's add in some untoasted refined flour. Once you get a nice and nutty aroma of the flour, we add in water or stock. Let's stir this well and ensure this entire mixture is now lump-free. We may have to add in some more water to ensure that the vegetables also cook in the bargain. Time to add in a touch of grated ginger, and along with this, a couple of spices, beginning with sweet paprika, and along with this, curry powder. A couple of grains of sugar, and finally, some salt. A quick stir and allow this to cook on medium flame for at least 20 minutes or till the vegetables are perfectly cooked. The potatoes and carrots are perfectly fork tender and cooked and ready. Now finally is the third step, which is bringing all of these beautiful things together and plating. And for this, more importantly, on a bed of rice. Let's do that. The silken smooth Katsu curry, the crispy breaded fried tofu, and finally some shredded red cabbage and spinach. With this, ladies and gentlemen, your comforting rich curry is done and ready. Whether you're a fried food fan or a rich, dense curry fan, this curry is just for you. And with the protein of your choice. This is me, Varun Namdar, signing off. Bye for now.